to Eshaan Medias. Today in this video, I am going to show you the benefits of bio oil and uses of bio oil. I use bio oil in my daily skincare routine. It is a multi-purpose oil which tackles scars, stretch marks, aging, sunburns, chickenpox marks, pregnancy marks, uneven skin tone and other skin imperfections. It also acts as moisturizer. This product is available in market in 3 different sizes: 60 ml, 125 ml and 200 ml. Bio oil effectively works on pregnancy marks. During pregnancy, it should be applied from the start of the second semester to the areas that are prone to the stretch marks such as abdomen, lower backs, hips, buttocks, etc. We can also apply this oil before bathing. You can use this bio oil in the morning before bath or after bath, but I recommend you people to use this bio oil during nights because it sits more time on your skin. Apply few drops of bio oil to the clean and dry skin twice a day. For better results, use this bio oil for 3 months. Bio oil is a lightweight and non-greasy oil, can be applied to remove the suntan. Here I have taken few drops of bio oil and applying on the skin, and I'll gently massage it in a circular motion. For better results, you need to use this product every day. Here I have shared a picture of how to apply bio oil to your body parts. The key ingredients that are used in the bio oil are: bio oil is filled with vitamin A, vitamin E, calendula oil, lavender oil, rosemary oil, chamomile oil and porcelain oil. As long as you are not allergic to these ingredients, bio oil is considered generally safe to use. I am using this bio oil for many years. My skin is super glowy and hydrated. So I recommend everyone to use it. I hope everyone liked the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to Eshaan Medias.